Papa of PaPa's page here, and today is Cast Iron Wednesday, and we're making Enchilada Casserole. The ingredients we got today are a bell pepper, some corn tortillas, some cheese, some hamburger, an onion, Ro-tels, diced tomatoes, got some diced chilies, mushroom soup, taco seasoning, tomato sauce, and black olives. We'll also use some olive oil. I'm ready to start. I've warmed the frying pan up a little bit and we'll put some olive oil in it. And we'll put the onions in it. And we'll put the bell pepper in. And we'll cook these for a while and then we'll add the hamburger. I'm going to add the hamburger and break it up and brown it. I added a tablespoon of taco seasoning. In goes Ro-tels tomatoes. Diced chilies, tomato sauce, now cream of mushroom soup. Stir it all up. I'm going to preheat the oven. Cut up 10 tortillas and we'll start mixing them in. Gonna put cheese on top. And olives. I've preheated the oven to 375, and we'll put it in there for about 15 minutes to melt the cheese. I think I'm ready to pull it out. I'll go find my taste tester and we'll bowl some up and see what it tastes like. I have a taste tester. She's going to give it a test, and I'll give her 5 cards and she can decide on a scale of 1 to 5 how good it is. There you have it. It's a 5 today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.